What's your name? Hanapin mo mamaya sa YouTube. Magtagalog ka na lang ilang taon ka na single? Biyuda? 12 years.
12 years single.
Ilan anak mo, te?
I have one daughter only.
One daughter, wow. And then she already working?
Yeah.
How old are you now?
My daughter?
No, you.
No,
Yeah.
I'm 54 years old.
You look like, yeah, you're like 40s only. Wow.
I'm 54 years old.
You look young. So are you still searching a boyfriend?
No.
You're tired. You're tired already?
Enjoying what I'm doing.
But your income is enough.
Not so.
Are you paying the rental here? Oh, okay. So Ate is not she's not looking for a boyfriend, and this is her business, just selling food, small groceries, and she's selling burger. So she's 52, yeah, but 54, but she look like 40s only, going to 55.
55 this year.
Okay, thank you for your potato. Go. Magkano kilo sa mangga? 90? Watermelon.
Lagi na mo sa tao. Bahaw. Mangga na, ma'am. Ada di mangga, mama. Sebinti ta.
Kuya, nakabili kami doon. Ganyan.
Dari na ako, ma'am.
Pork. Hello, kuya.
Bisa na hindi medyo mo sukang. Why ko lang. Sukang ang dali tatay mo ana ano yakos. Yakos ito nanay ko. Yan tatay mo. Biko.
Very fresh the eggplants, eh? No more here. Kuya, saan yung mga isda dito? Saan yung mga isda?
Doon sa musuot, talaga ko alam wala.
Ah, dito kami. Thank you.
Wartali din, butay bligyan to bla. Buhay wartali.
Hello everyone, I'm back. So today's video, I went to supermarket here in the Iloilo City. So I went to downtown and then I buy vegetables. This is kangkong for only 10 pesos per like this per Thai. And very cheap. So I buy 3 bundle of kangkong because I love kangkong. I just stir fry the kangkong with garlic and soy sauce or oyster sauce. It's very delicious. And also okra. So I buy this one 10 pesos for 4 pesos. Actually very cheap the vegetables there in supermarket. Supermarket means the biggest market here in Iloilo City. So I just buy vegetables because I go there late already. So the fish area is already closed and not so fresh if you go there late. So must be early in the morning you will go in the market. And I did not buy also meat because I already have meat here in the house. So I buy in the SM. But I just want to see what's inside of the super big market there. So I just confused. But it's already closed the fish area because I want to buy the fresh fish there. So next time I will go earlier. But now in all the market here in Iloilo City, they under construction. That's why not in order their store. So if you want to buy vegetables, you need to go to the other side, and if you buy fruits, you need to walk to the other side again. And also the fish and the meat. So if you go there and very hot, you will be very tired. So you must go in the supermarket early in the morning so that you won't be very tired because of the sun, and also a bit far when you walk to the other store or other shop like vegetables and the meat, because the meat shop is a bit farther to the vegetables. So this is what I buy.